As a car owner, keeping your vehicle clean can be a challenge, especially when it comes to removing dirt and debris from hard-to-reach areas. That's where car vacuum cleaners come in handy. They are specifically designed to help you clean your car's interior quickly and efficiently, without leaving any dirt or debris behind. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 car vacuum cleaners that are available on the market today. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Hot-Or Car Vacuum Cleaner Handheld. Last on our list is the Hot-Or Car Vacuum Cleaner Handheld. This vacuum has a powerful motor that delivers strong suction and a washable filter for easy cleaning. It also comes with a crevice tool and brush for cleaning tight spaces and upholstery. The vacuum has a 13-foot power cord that can reach all areas of your car. Number 4. This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner. The This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner is a popular choice among car owners. It has a powerful motor that delivers strong suction and a washable filter for easy cleaning. The vacuum also comes with a crevice tool and brush for cleaning tight spaces and upholstery. The This Works Car Vacuum Cleaner also has a 16-foot power cord that can reach all areas of your car. Number 3. Vac Life Handheld Vacuum. The Vac Life Handheld Vacuum is a lightweight and portable vacuum that is perfect for cleaning cars. This handheld vacuum is cord-free and hassle-free, which gives you more convenience to your cleaning work. This small vacuum cleaner cordless can help you to do all-around cleaning with powerful motor and long battery life. This handheld cordless vacuum is equipped with 2 different attachments to better meet your cleaning needs. It features a bright LED light which is helpful for the dark cleaning and corner cleaning. This portable vacuum cleaner for home is great for your family. Number 2. Vask 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner. VARSK has both vacuum cleaning and tire inflation in one portable machine. Besides these 2 essential functions, digital tire pressure LCD display is easy for you to read, and built-in LED work light illuminates your surroundings to provide extra safety and security when operated in the dark. As a car vacuum, it can provide 5.5 kPa strong cyclone suction, which could easily pick up dust, debris, coins. It adopts the HEPA filter, which is washable and durable, no need to replace often. You also get 1 bonus HEPA. Every VARSK device undergoes a strict 50-point inspection before leaving the factory to ensure it performs to the exceptionally high standard the company set. Number 1. Imenso Handheld Vacuum Cordless Car Vacuum. The upgraded cordless handheld vacuum provides up to 9 kPa strong cyclonic suction power, which is twice as strong as the average handheld vacuum cleaner. 2 suction modes can be freely switched between 9 kPa and 5 kPa. Cordless handheld vacuums get rid of bulky tangled cords, making them easy to carry and store. It is ideal for cleaning inside the car. The handheld vacuum is equipped with 2 multifunction accessories to support all-round cleaning. 450 ml large capacity transparent dust bucket, and the 1-button dust removal design makes emptying easy. The handheld vacuum cordless is equipped with a 2200 mAh Li-ion battery, 30 minutes runtime, and only takes 3 hours to charge. This lightweight portable vacuum cleaner must be a thoughtful gift for your family or friends who have pets or cars. The small vacuum cleaner meets US safety requirements. It might seem overwhelming with over 1,000 car phone mounts on the market. Hopefully, we helped you narrow it down to the best model for your needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want more information or if you want to know product price, check my description. For any further information, please comment below.